welcome you in the bio class. You have to study the blood vessels. What are the blood vessels? Blood vessels are branched tube which has extended from the heart to the different parts of the body. So branched tubes which has extended from heart to the different part of the body that are called blood vessels. There are three kinds of blood vessels. Three kinds. First is arteries. Second is veins. Third is capillaries. So you see which blood vessels are called arteries. The blood vessels which carry the blood from the heart to the different part of the body. So first you have to study about the arteries. So which blood vessels are called arteries? The blood vessel which carries blood away from the heart to any part of the body. They are called arteries. Arteries have thick wall. Arteries have narrow lumen. In the arteries, blood flows in spurt. Arteries are situated in the deeper region of the body. So when you see the structure of the arteries, you will find the arteries, it has thick muscular wall and narrow lumen is there. There is external layer which is made up of connective tissue. There is middle layer which is made up of muscle elastic fibers. Innermost is the endothelium, and after that in the center is the lumen. So in the arteries there is thick muscular wall, narrow lumen is present. In the arteries blood is flowing with pressure, spurts. Now here you see the blood vessels which take the blood away from the heart. That blood vessels are arteries. As you see, these blood vessels are arteries, which are shown in the reddish color. They are arteries. They carry the blood away from the heart. Other blood vessels, the blood vessels which convey the blood from the part of the body towards the heart, they are known as vein. Veins are blood vessels which convey the blood from a part of the body towards the heart. So you see the arrow here which are showing the direction of flow of blood towards the heart. These blood vessels are veins. They are brown in color. Veins have thin muscular wall. If you see their internal structure, you will find veins have thin muscular wall. There is outer layer, again middle layer, inner layer. So this external layer, middle layer at inner endothelium, and this is the wide lumen is there. So veins are having thin muscular wall, wider lumen. In the veins, blood flows uniformly, and blood veins have pocket-shaped valves. Valves are present. These valves allow to flow blood only in one direction. So these I told about the arteries, veins. Now next is the capillaries. Capillaries. Capillary is a very narrow tube. Its wall consists of a single layer of squamous epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue. It is also known as endothelium. Endothelium. Capillaries have no muscles, and their large number of capillaries are present. Capillaries connect the arteries and veins. So these three types of blood vessels are present in the body of human beings, and they are circulating the blood. Here, major arteries and veins, their name has given on the basis of the organ to which they supply the blood. As you see, the artery which supply blood to the liver, that is called hepatic artery. Vein which take the blood from the liver, that is hepatic vein. The blood vessel which supply the blood to the kidney, renal artery, which take the blood away from the kidney towards the heart, renal vein. Like this, they carry the blood to the lungs. There are pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. So, the blood vessels which arise from the left ventricle and carry the blood to the different part of the body, that is called aorta. Blood vessels which arise from the right ventricle and carry the blood to the lung, this blood vessel is called pulmonary artery. Blood vessels which bring the blood from the lung to the left auricle, this blood vessel is called pulmonary vein. Blood vessels which bring the blood from the different part of the body to the right auricle, this blood vessel is called vena cava. There are two vena cava, one is anterior, other is posterior, or one is superior, other is inferior. Anterior bring the deoxygenated blood from the anterior part of the body, and posterior bring deoxygenated blood from the posterior part of the body. So I told the different types of blood vessels which are present in the circulatory system, and their work is to carry the blood away from the heart and bring the blood towards the